I feel like I must be breaking a rule somewhere in here. I completely forgot Samsung started doing that shit. I've had Instant for 2 years, maybe more. I got Inst 22 today and I just went to plug my headphones in and couldn't find the jack. Can't believe I have to buy some new fucking garbage to listen to anything. Fuck, this company is making us buy their overpriced accessories. There's zero reasons to not include it. It's because it's fuck the middle and lower class that every company can involve you for the foreseeable future. I'm so positive. I listen to music podcasts usually all day. It's an idea what my phone is used for, and now I have to either get wireless headphones that I will lose, or I sit in a lot that looks fucking stupid will break in a few months and won't let me charge while listening. I hope that Samsung corporate headquarters fucking explodes like their shitty notes guy. And while we're on the topic of wishing death upon corporations, not Apple for starting, let's still kick brand and for just being the shaky copy that's perfectly content fucking our open ones. Fuck the future.